Hey friends, welcome to Say More Money. In today's video we will explain you how you can transfer your employee provident fund when you change your company. First you have to check whether your ex-employer has updated the date of exit on PF records or not. So log in into the UN website, click on View, and click on Service History. Here, you should be able to see the DO updated for your previous employer. If you do not see the date of exit mentioned here, you will have to speak with your previous employer and ask them to update it. In my previous video, I had explained you what to do in case previous employer is not updating it. You have to wait for 2 months from the last contribution made by previous employer and then you can update it on your own on the EPF website. So as you see here, previous employer has updated the date of exit from EPF and EPAs. These are the two things which matter. Now that this is done, I can raise the request to transfer my PF account. So for that I will go to Online Services, One Member, One EPF Account Transfer Request. Here once you check your personal information and the details of present account into which the transfer will be affected, go to Step 1. Click on the radio button through which you want the attestation to be done. I always prefer the present number because in case of any queries, I can reach out to them and I can speak with them personally. Enter your MID, the member information ID or the UN number. So let me just copy-paste that here and click on Details. Once you click on Details, scroll down and you will see the list of all the previous employers from which you want to transfer your PF account. In my case, my previous employer was the last option here. So I select this. And if we fill in the details here, I just verify the details and I click on this particular checkbox. Once you select this particular row, you scroll down to step number 2 where you have to authenticate your Aadhaar. So click on the checkbox again, which says that you can send to provide Aadhaar number for authentication. Click on Get OTP and enter the OTP number which you receive on your mobile number. Once you enter the OTP received on your mobile, click on Submit. And with this your form is successfully submitted and you will see the details here: the previous account number, the present account number, attestation through present employer and printable form 13. If you want you can download it. And it will be like this. You can check whether this has to be submitted in your office or not. If it has to be submitted, you can print and submit it there and that's it. They will then do the needful and you should be able to see the records updated in a few days. To check the status, click on Online Services and click on Track Claim Status. Here we will be able to see the status of all the records and the last one is the record which I have submitted recently. As you can see it shows accepted by employer and pending at field office. That means your company is accepted it and now it is pending with the EPFO department officer. Once he approves it, the amount will be transferred to your new PF account and the status will change to accepted by field office. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember to like, subscribe and share.